In this video, we'll show you how to find and reveal hidden files or folders in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. To start, I'll demonstrate by hiding a folder. Right-click on the folder, select Properties, then check the box for Hidden. Click Apply and choose Apply to All before pressing OK. Now the folder is hidden. To view it again, open File Explorer and go to the View tab at the top. Hover over Show and select Hidden Items. You'll now see the hidden folder, but it will appear grayed out. Right-click on the folder, select Properties, and uncheck Hidden.
Click Apply and then OK to make it visible again.
Once you've done that, you can go back to the View tab, hover over Show, and uncheck Hidden Items. This ensures that any future hidden files will remain hidden. But you can always revisit this option to make them visible again when needed. If you found this guide useful, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.